Okay, this is an example that corresponds to homework question out of section 3.1, number 8. If y is equal to c sub 1 e to the negative 3x plus c sub 2 e to the positive 3x is a general solution to a differential equation of the form a y double prime plus by prime plus c equals 0, find the values for a, b, and c. So your hint on this is to work backwards. We actually know the solution, and we're trying to come up with the question. So in our solution, given that, I'm going to rewrite let's do that on the next page. Oops. If y was equal to c sub 1 e to the negative 3x plus c sub 2 e to the positive 3x, then we know that r1 is equal to negative 3 and r sub 2 is equal to positive 3. So it doesn't really matter what the values of r are. We're going to extract those from the equation and use those in our characteristic equation because that's where they come from. Okay, so we're going to rewrite our characteristic equation, right? And that's always of the form each factor, no matter how many we have, of r minus r sub 1 is equal to 0. So we're going to have r minus negative 3, or in other words, the quantity r plus 3, and then r minus 3 is equal to 0. If we multiply that together, we get r squared minus 9 is equal to 0. So when we connect to our general form of a y double prime plus b y prime plus c equals 0, or a r squared plus br plus c equals 0, we can now see that a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c is equal to negative 9. So if you know the general solution, you're just working backwards through the characteristic equation. I hope that helps.